Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 1 2005 model which just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. As you can see the condition of the vehicle. And we're gonna paint this whole car in paint booth. You can see we're gonna modify the interior. This is stock interior which comes in Type 1 model. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you. Hi everyone. So as you can see this is Innova Type 1 2005 model which just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. As you saw in earlier video, the car was in red color. We have painted this whole car in garnet red, and we have painted this whole car in a company paint booth, so you can get the good finishing, the good life, the gloss, the shining. From Type 1 to Type 4, there are total 18 to 20 parts which are going to replace. In this we have replaced front bonnet, show grille, fog lamp, fog cover, both headlights. As you can see, these are projector headlight with sequential DRL, and the fog lamp which is HID fog lamp with upper depot function. From the side we have replaced the mirror with indicator, the side door molding, chrome handles, and the rear we have replaced both tail lights, rear bumper with reflector, dicky chrome with reflector, and this we have installed the LED tail lamps with DRL, spoiler with light. Let me show you the interior. We have customized the interior. You can see the switch panel in wooden, the steering in genuine leather with wooden finish, gear boot, gear knob, handbrake in leather, seat covers are in good quality composite leather. You can see the finishing, the stitching, carpet in black. We installed a genuine theatre rooftop, Android touchscreen player. In this you can use GPS, navigation, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So guys, if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai. Thank you.